It's like I have a loaded gun in my mouth and I like the taste of metal. These are the words of a man who had it all, lost it all, and then conquered the world. This is the story of Robert Downey Jr. From a young age. Hollywood seemed to be his destiny. With undeniable talent and charisma, he quickly rose through the ranks, even earning an Oscar nomination for his role as Charlie Chaplin. The world was at his feet. But beneath the surface, a storm was brewing. A struggle with addiction that began in his youth spiraled out of control, turning his promising career into a series of public arrests, rehab stints, and relapses. He became a cautionary tale, another brilliant talent lost to the darkness of substance abuse. The headlines were relentless, the courtroom became a familiar stage, and Hollywood, the town that built him up, turned its back. He had hit rock bottom, but in the darkest of times, a glimmer of hope appeared. In 2003, producer Susan Levin, whom he met on the set of Gothika, gave him an ultimatum: get sober for good or lose her. This was the turning point. Choosing love and life, Downey Jr. committed himself fully to recovery. He embraced a newfound discipline, using therapy, 12-step programs, yoga, and martial arts to rebuild himself, piece by piece. It was a grueling, private battle, away from the public eye. Slowly, cautiously, Hollywood began to offer second chances. Small roles turned into bigger ones. Then, in 2008, came the role that would not only redefine his career but also the superhero genre itself. Jon Favreau, director of Iron Man, saw the parallels between Tony Stark, a brilliant, reckless genius battling his own demons, and the actor himself. He fought for Downey Jr. to get the part. It was a gamble, but it paid off spectacularly. Robert Downey Jr. wasn't just playing Iron Man, he was Iron Man. His own story of rising from the ashes mirrored the hero's journey on screen, bringing a depth and authenticity that captivated audiences worldwide. From the brink of oblivion to becoming one of the highest paid and most beloved actors in the world, Robert Downey Jr.'s journey is a testament to the power of resilience. It's a story that proves that our past does not have to define our future, and that even from the deepest abyss, it is possible to rise, rebuild, and be reborn.